Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever looked at the night sky and thought, I'd love to see galaxies, but I have no idea how telescopes work? Same here. Smart telescopes change that. They find stars and galaxies for you, controlled right from your phone, and even capture real astrophotos automatically. They're not cheap, so I spent months testing the best smart telescopes of 2026 across different budgets. Today, I'm breaking down the top 8, covering image quality, ease of use, and portability. Let's dive in. Let's dive. Starting at number 8, we have the Vaonis Vespera observation station, and this is my pick for the best budget smart telescope. I would definitely recommend the Vespera for beginners, thanks to its affordability, ease of use, and user-friendly features. There's not much to see physically, just one button and a motorized arm. That's it. Setup and calibration are incredibly easy. You literally just put it on the ground, unfold it, and wait for it to calibrate itself. No complicated assembly, no manual alignment, no frustration. It just works. It copes really well with light pollution, making it a great option if you live in an urban area. That's a huge advantage, because most people don't have access to dark sky sites. Also, it's not the best choice for viewing planets or the moon. It really shines with deep sky objects like nebulas and galaxies. It's at number 8, because while it's an excellent entry point into smart telescopes at an affordable price, the low resolution and limited planetary performance hold it back. At number 7, we've got the ZWO Seestar S30, my pick for best portability. This thing is lightweight and truly portable. It weighs only 1.65 kilograms, which is ridiculously light. You can genuinely take this smart telescope anywhere. A friend's garden, out into the countryside, to a dark sky site, wherever. Just throw it in the included carry case and go. Now, the tripod it sits on is small, and there are no extendable legs. But that's actually not a problem, because you control everything via the smartphone app. You don't need to look through a viewfinder and crank your neck. You view everything on your phone screen. The Alta-Zenith mount means the aperture arm can move in all directions, so you won't miss any part of the night sky. And I was seriously impressed by how quiet this telescope is when searching for objects. In the dark, I literally had to double-check that it had actually moved, because it's so silent. It's at number 7 because its portability is unmatched, and it's genuinely easy to use for beginners. Coming in at number 6 is the Vaonis Stellina, my pick for best performance in light pollution. It does have a couple of small design quirks, but none of them are deal breakers. Overall, it's sleek, compact, and robust. Now at 24.25 pounds or 11 kilograms, the Stellina is the heaviest smart telescope in this lineup. While it's relatively easy to carry with the included backpack, I'd recommend this scope if you live in a city and plan to stargaze from your backyard. What's really neat is that once the Stellina is set up, you can leave it outside doing its thing while you go indoors. Thanks to the app functionality, you can view results from your phone while choosing new targets to capture, all from the comfort and warmth of your house. The only caveat is you need to be within 10 yards of it, but if you're using it in your backyard, that's not a problem. It's at number 6 because the light pollution suppression is genuinely excellent for city dwellers, but the weight, poor instructions, and high price hold it back from ranking higher. At number 5, we have the Celestron Origin Intelligent Home Observatory, my pick for best deep sky imaging. My favorite thing about the Celestron Origin is just how easy it is to set up. Within minutes of getting it out of the box, you'll be taking gorgeous images of the night sky. This impressive piece of equipment does everything for you. Short of connecting it to your smartphone, there's little else you need to do. The image quality of distant galaxies and nebulas is simply stunning. When you see what this thing can capture, you'll understand why serious astrophotographers get so excited about it. The functionality doesn't come cheap though. At around $4,000, this is a tool that only the most serious astronomers and astrophotographers are going to afford. But it's worth every penny if you want to image distant galaxies. For that specific purpose, it simply can't be beat. It's at number 5 because while it's exceptional at deep sky imaging, The price and lack of traditional telescope functionality limit its appeal. Number 4 brings us the Unistellar Odyssey Pro, my pick for best versatility. If you've been reading reviews and wishing there was a telescope combining the optical prowess of unistellar scopes with true portability, the Odyssey Pro is your answer. It's the newest offering from Unistellar, and it hits that sweet spot. One thing to note is shorter battery life compared to other Unistellar telescopes. It lasts around 5 hours after a full charge, so if you're planning a long night of stargazing, pack a power bank. The smaller form factor makes for easier portability during travel, which is exactly what Unistellar was going for. It delivers quiet operation and stunning images of nebulas and star clusters. It's a lighter model than the Equinox 2 and the eVscope 2, while also being more beginner-friendly with complete autofocus and no need for mirror alignment. Everything is handled automatically. It's at number 4 because it offers genuine versatility, good image quality, true portability, and beginner-friendly operation. At number 3, we have the Unistellar eVscope 2, my pick for those with larger budgets. The eVscope 2 is a beautifully designed telescope with a minimalist feel and solid quality all around. You can tell that every aspect has been carefully designed and engineered. This telescope is solely operated through an app with just a tap of your phone screen. Since you'll rely on your phone for the compatible app, make sure you come prepared with a fully charged battery or bring a power bank. Although the image can sometimes lag, the Explore mode is really helpful for astronomers of any skill level. It accurately shows you all the objects visible in the night sky based on the date and time you're using it, which greatly reduces guesswork. You're not randomly searching. The app tells you exactly what's visible. It's at number 3 because it's genuinely excellent, but that $5,000 price tag makes it inaccessible to many users. When you think about the technology it packs, it's akin to one of the best mirrorless cameras. The price is justified. Coming in at number 2 is the Vaonis Vespera II, my pick for best resolution. I like the original Vespera, but the main complaint was the underwhelming 2-megapixel images it produced. They lacked clarity and detail. Thankfully, with the Vespera II, Vaonis boosted the megapixel count by over 4 times. It's now capable of taking 8.3 megapixel images, the highest of any smart telescope on this list. Better yet, Vaonis's patented live mosaic capture can boost resolution up to a massive 24 megapixels. The Vespera II features live autofocus and image enhancement, which automatically gets rid of bad images and uses image stacking to enhance clarity in real time. It does have one significant drawback: short battery life. It's super portable and easy to carry around, but the battery only lasts 4 hours compared to the original Vespera's 8-hour battery life. You can take it to remote dark sky spots, but you'll only have 4 hours of use without a power bank. It's at number 2 because the image quality is exceptional, the price is reasonable for what you get, and it's genuinely easy to use. And finally, at number 1, the Unistellar Equinox 2. This is my pick for best overall smart telescope, and here's why. The app is well laid out, really fast, and intuitive to use. It's divided into 3 distinct sections, allowing you to switch between telescope operation, engage with the astronomy community, and monitor or change settings. Everything makes sense. Overall, this telescope performs extremely well, making it easy to move around and search for different things in the night sky. One great feature is smart light pollution reduction, perfect for people in cities and urban areas who want to stargaze in their backyard. It's at number 1 because it delivers the complete package. Beautiful design, intuitive app, excellent image quality, smart light pollution reduction for city dwellers, and overall performance that justifies the investment. For most people looking to get into smart telescope astronomy, the Unistellar Equinox 2 is the best choice. Those are the top 8 smart telescopes of 2026, tested and ranked. Quick picks: Equinox 2 for best overall, Vespera 2 for high resolution, Odyssey Pro for portability, Celestron Origin for deep sky work, and Vespera for beginners. They're pricey, but capturing a galaxy from your backyard makes it worth it. Drop a comment, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Clear skies.